Many of us are more than the stereotypes placed upon us. We don't eat pets.
I don't eat pets, although I do have one.
I don't eat pets.
I don't eat pets.
I don't eat pets.
I definitely don't eat pets.
I 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 don't eat pets.
But I am an international worship leader, artist, and musician who travels the world, stirring up hope in the hearts of all people. Did I mention I'm a pastor who inspires the previous generation, the current generation, the generation to come?
I am a business owner. I own a real estate company where I educate the community the importance of owning and investing in real estate.
But I am an author, speaker, and I consult billion-dollar corporations every day.
But I am a public health educator, educating our communities how to live healthier and happier lives.
As a business strategist, I help my clients build seven-figure businesses so they can make their impact, enjoy their dream lifestyle, and live a legacy of financial freedom for generations to come.
But I serve my clients each and every day through estate and legacy planning to transfer millions in generational wealth at the SG Law Firm where I'm founder and managing partner.
But I'm an attorney both in the US and in Haiti, and I fight for my clients just like my ancestors fought for our freedom.
But I'm a high school administrator that supports teaching and learning so that our young people have their brightest future.
I'm too busy being a voting member of the Grammys. I'm an artist, a software engineer, and an analyst.
I'm a second-year law student. I am studying law because I want to assist my community in navigating the legal system.
I am an international fashion designer who work in the community.
But I do preach and teach the gospel of Jesus Christ in the community.
But I am a psychiatric and a family provider, serving our community to empower and encourage our people to live and stay well.
My name is Pastor Walby Foods, and I am a Haitian American.
My name is Darling Joseph, and I am Haitian American.
My name is Amishadai Grandjean, and I am a Haitian American.
My name is Yuzna Dujon-Jacques, and I am Haitian American.
My name is Dr. Lucius Massis. I am a Haitian American.
I'm Jadina Ingersoll Esquire. You can call me Attorney J, and I am a Haitian American.
My name is Eddie Laguerre, and I'm Haitian American.
My name is Valerie Lewis, and I'm a Haitian American.
My name is Luna Macias, and I am a Haitian American.
My name is Dizane Cynthia McCoy, and I am an Haitian American.
I am Dr. Ernst Turville, and I am a Haitian American.
I am Dr. Dorothy Crisostomo, DNP, FNPC, PMH and PBC. I am a Haitian American.
I'm Attorney Lana Joseph, Avocat Pepla. We are Haitian Americans, proud of our heritage, proud of our history, and our contribution to this country. Like all other people, we deserve and demand your respect.